Hey y'all, spend the morning with me while I clean up this kitchen and cook some breakfast for these greedy ass kids and my man. Speaking of greedy ass kids, y'all, why the hell is the food stamp office trying to cut our food stamps, knowing damn well we barely make enough to be able to grocery shop with the little monies that we do get? But whatever, it is what it is. I'ma just go about my day and make the best breakfast I can for these kids with this budget friendly and time friendly, family friendly breakfast. It's a staple, of course. Just some eggs and some bacon. Um, we was having a real chill morning, so nothing too much. The first thing I'm gonna just do is cut up all these pieces of bacon. We got this pack from Aldi. I don't remember what it's called, but it was seasoned already. Like it was spicy. It was real good. And the kids enjoyed it too. It wasn't too spicy for them. Now, y'all just heard me talk about our food stamps getting cut. So if you say anything in the comments about this little empty chocolate milk container, then I don't know what to tell you. Because I definitely had to get my money's worth out of that. Made me a little coffee, used a little chocolate milk as the creamer. When I'm doing my caramel macchiato coffee, that chocolate milk as the creamer goes crazy. It just adds the perfect little mix, definitely 10 out of 10, every time. And while that bacon is getting nice and fried on the skillet, I'm gonna just go ahead and get this house together, throw all these boxes away from our grocery trip, and try to straighten all these clothes out. That whole pile in the back was just stuff that we took out of the car. Literally, that's all. But that's what it's like being a mom with multiple toddlers. Ooh, child. My bae is in the background, taking a smoke break before we finish cleaning up all the rest of this little stuff that we brought in from the car. Of course, you know, baby girl had to come show me her toys. She's taking a peek at the eggs. And just out of curiosity, who puts milk in their eggs? Because I do my scrambled eggs, and my boyfriend thinks that shit is weird as fuck. But that's how I did it my whole life. So please let me know in the comments below if you do that too. Just like a little splash, it make it fluffier. I don't know. And that air fryer in the background for this toast goes crazy every time. And then my phone had the audacity to die, so I don't have no final picture, but it was good, y'all. The kids ate it.